In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clear path to link your Webflow site with Klaviyo using the official marketplace and Zapier, so form activity and other events can flow into your email marketing without manual work. Start by opening Webflow in your browser and head to your main dashboard. From there, go to the marketplace. Inside the marketplace, open the Apps section. This is where you'll find integrations that extend Webflow's capabilities. Use the search bar to look up the integration that will bridge Webflow and Klaviyo. Search for the Zapier app. When you see it, open the app page and click Install App. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection so Zapier can work with your Webflow workspace. If you're part of a team, you may need the appropriate permissions. If you don't see the install option, check with your workspace admin. After the installation completes, you'll see an option that says you can connect Webflow to thousands of apps. Click that to jump into Zapier. This takes you straight to creating an automation, often called a Zap. Inside Zapier, choose Webflow as your first app. This sets Webflow as the starting point of your automation. Zapier will highlight the fields you need to complete. Click the highlighted areas to select the relevant site and define what should trigger the workflow. If you're new to this interface, the highlighted guidance is there to keep you on track. Next, in the action step, use the search box and start typing the next app you want to connect to. Type Klaviyo and select it. You'll now see required fields marked with an asterisk. First, confirm the app selection. Then choose the action event that matches your goal, such as adding or updating a subscriber or creating a profile. Pick the event that best aligns with how you want Webflow activity to appear in Klaviyo. Finally, choose or connect your Klaviyo account. If this is your first time, Zapier will open a secure window to link the two. You may be prompted for your Klaviyo API credentials. Keep those secure and never share them publicly. Once connected, select the account in the account field. That's the core connection done. From here, Zapier will guide you to finish configuration for your specific use case and turn the automation on. You've now connected Klaviyo to Webflow using the Marketplace and Zapier, setting a solid foundation for reliable,